In today's video, I'll show you how you can put text behind a person in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we have our subject right here for our example. And the first thing that we would need to do is to go here into the Edit tab, click on Effects, and then you want to go here into Titles. And then just simply go into a simple title. So I'm just going to go here for a basic title, this one, drag it into the top of my footage right there. And then from here is that I'm going to edit the text in here. So I'm going to say man. And then I'm going to edit the font in here so I could make it something thicker right here. And then I'm going to make it bigger. So I'm going to go here for the size. I'm going to say just like that. And now the next thing, once you're satisfied with your text, is that you want to duplicate your footage right here and put it at the top of your text. So you can do that by holding your Alt key on your keyboard and then dragging it to the top so that you'd be able to duplicate easily. And from here, select your text, go into Fusion. And then from here, you want to select the media one. And then you want to press the Control plus Space key. And then you would now have the Select tool pop up. And then you just need the Magic Mask. So search for Magic Mask in here, select Magic Mask, click on Add. In here is that you just basically would want to draw over your subject. You'll notice that your cursor is now a drawer icon or tool. So basically just draw over the subject. So it's this one. So it's this person right here. So I'm going to draw just so that the AI would be able to detect that this is the subject that I would want to keep. And now once you've done that, as you can see, it has automatically masked it. And for this one, we don't need to bother with that because the text wouldn't reach that anyway. And the next thing that we would want to do, once you have successfully masked it out, you want to click here on this button to mask the frames forward. And then you'd now be able to see that it is now moving and it's now masking the subject out. And we just need to wait for it to finish. And then we will now be able to see that it is now working. All right, I have now stopped the rendering. I didn't even finish it just so that we could move on quickly, but you could finish it if you'd want it to last until the end. So now I'm going to go back here into Edit, and then from here you'd now be able to see that the text is now behind the person or our subject, and when we play it, it should now look like that. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.